Hey, it's Eran here. Thank you so much for coming to this page. I really appreciate it. So you're here because you want to learn how to make money online, how to have your very own internet business without investing an arm and a leg. Okay, and I'm here to tell you that instead of paying for thousands and thousands of dollars worth of courses or mentorships or whatever out there, you need to do one simple thing, and that is to get a book. That book is going to reveal to you the secrets of how the online world really works, okay? And that book, not only that, it is actually 100% free. The only thing you need to pay for is the shipping and handling. So I'm here to introduce to you this book. It is called .com Secrets. Now, me personally, I have started working online back in the beginning of 2017 and I had absolutely no idea. Within my first year, I made 6 figures online, and I have not had the opportunity of having the right guidance in the very beginning where somebody told me that I actually need to get this book, okay? If I had this opportunity to get this book at the time when I first got started, I would have done a lot better, okay? And also I made a lot of mistakes without the right guidance and mentorship and so on, and therefore I wanted to pay it forward by giving people the right advice on where to go, what to do, and so on. You can scroll through this page and you'll see a lot of testimonials from people that have worked with me. Okay, so you can actually see my advice has actually helped people to actually be successful. So I'm gonna ask you to get this book. It is gonna be, you just have to click the button below and it's gonna take you to a page where you buy this book. This book, depending on where you are, if you're in the US, it will probably cost you about $5 or $7 for shipping. If you're overseas like me, I'm in Australia, it will probably cost you about $15 to pay for the shipping for this book, okay? That's all it is. It is free, okay? Now, I'm gonna be totally transparent with you. So I just finished recording a video about affiliate marketing, and this is how I make money online. This is one of the ways that I make money online. I got a number of businesses. But basically, when you buy this book, I make $1, okay? Now you might be thinking, well, what's the big deal of $1? So what I'm gonna ask you to do, you don't have to do it, but the minimum I want you to do is to get this book. Now, when you start learning how the online world really works, you'll find out that there's things like, you get the bait in the beginning, and then there is more and more upsells, more and more money being asked for at different stages, okay? And this is what's gonna happen when you buy this book, and I'm gonna reveal to you right here, right now, so you're not surprised, it's not a shock, okay? You're gonna then be asked to upsell to this book, Expert Secrets, okay? Now, .com Secrets is really as close as it gets to the Bible of how to make money online, how online marketing works, and so on. Expert Secrets is as close as it gets to how to take your passion, your expertise, and your skill and turn it into a full-time income online, okay? So they dovetail really, really well together, okay? Now, if you want to get that upsell, you're gonna end up paying $37, okay? If you wanna do that, great. If you don't, that's okay too. Minimum .com Secrets. After that, there will be 2 more upsells as well, and it will even go as high as a $2,000 purchase. I am not suggesting that you need to do that right now by any stretch, okay? But all I'm saying is to get that book. I just want to be transparent. I will leave a picture of this so you can actually see what the exact upsells are, what's it gonna cost you, and also, as a disclosure, what I will make if you make those purchases. I'm all about transparency, so I wanted to reveal it to you up front, okay? When you buy this book, just a book, nothing else, I'm going to send you this PDF, okay? So this PDF is over 100 pages workbook where you can actually work through reading this book and step by step map out your online business with this roadmap, okay? This is an extremely valuable tool. This is worth at least $100, and this is gonna help you map out your online business, okay? Additionally, I will send you an additional gift, which is a book that I've written, okay, which is this one. It's an ebook called 21 Productivity Tips and Hacks, which is simply going to help you with how to be more focused, how to be more productive, and how to maximize your time. I know when I had my 9-to-5 job, I worked from 9 to 5, and I only had the evenings and the weekends to work to actually build my online business to where it is today. And so productivity and focus is critical because you only have so much time to do. Maybe you've got kids, maybe you got 2 jobs, I don't know your circumstances, but I do know that your limited amount of time needs to be maximized for best productivity, and this is what this ebook is all about. So I'm throwing in these freebies for you because I wanted to give you the maximum results from this simple purchase of this free ebook called .com Secrets, okay? So go ahead and click the link below, get this ebook, and after that, send me an email to let me know you've done it, and I'll be sure to send you all the bonuses that come with it. Thank you so much. My name is Eran Bucai, and go ahead and click the link below, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.